The ID-COOLING FX360 Liquid Cooler is a premium choice for gamers and high-performance computing systems, boasting a 360mm radiator and 3 efficient fans. Its advanced pump, operating at 2,900 revolutions per minute, efficiently dissipates heat from the CPU, ensuring optimal performance. The radiator's design includes 12 waterways and a high-density stack of fins, which extends the cooling surface by 37% for superior heat management. Three 120mm cooling fans provide impressive cooling capabilities while maintaining a low noise level, with a maximum operating noise of 27.2 decibels. The cooler features an infinity mirror with addressable RGB lighting, creating stunning visual effects that simulate infinite depth. Daisy chain connectors simplify cable management, making the setup process cleaner and more organized, and the cooler is compatible with a wide range of Intel and AMD sockets.